Hey, if you clicked onto this video, you are probably trying to get up to the Thumb Lookout Mountain area. You might have seen a viral video on Instagram or TikTok where people are flying the drones up and you can see Taipei in the background. It's very beautiful. Today, we are gonna show you the shortcut, how to get up there so you don't have to start here at the bottom of Elephant Mountain, which is great if you wanna get a little extra workout. If you're trying to save your time, you should definitely follow this guide because it's gonna save you a lot of time, a lot of effort. I'm gonna show you how to get up the backside. All of the information that you need is gonna be on the screen so you can screenshot as you watch this video, or you can look in the description below, and I'm also gonna put all the information that you need down there. So let's get started. This is the temple that gets you closest to the Thumb Lookout Mountain. And we know we're here because we have the big red arch right here. There's a couple parking spots over here. And if you go that way, there's a temple that way that gets you the closest to Elephant Mountain. Again, here's the address for this location, and it's also in the description below. We're gonna get hiking. I'm gonna show you exactly where to go from here. This is my friend Rick. He's really extremely camera shy. He's got an Avata 2, and he just got the brand new Mavic 4 Pro. Check out these little statues up this driveway, kind of unique. Look at this big guy. Is it good luck to rub the belly? Just like the Elephant Mountain hike is steep and it's Taiwan, so it's very humid. You're gonna sweat a lot. I recommend the bug spray. I recommend a little portable fan and plenty of water. So coming right up here is our first detail besides the red gate down there. Your Uber might drop you off right up here. And if they do, that's fine. What you're looking for is this trail right here. This guy in the blue coat is going right up these stairs. These temples are open. You can go up there, you can go inside there. But this is what we're looking for right here. I think this is like a water tower. These stairs right here is what we're looking for. Go up these stairs. Again, these are like open to the public. This is not private. You're allowed to come up here. This might feel very different for some of you Westerners. This is okay, you just keep coming right up here, right through here. And we're onto the trail. And we can hear the cicadas already. So coming right up the side, up these stairs. And it's already beautiful. Check out these beautiful flowers. Amazing jungle scene. And yep, we're on the trail. So when you're going up this, probably not gonna have a problem. But if you're going up there for sunset, the sun's gonna set, you're gonna be in the dark on the way down. But if you know that there are venomous snakes, you should have a light. So I always bring a headlamp and a big bright flashlight. And that just helps me on the way down. Okay, here we are where the trail connects now with the Elephant Mountain Trail. So we just came up this trail right here. From the temple comes up to this trail, and this is the Elephant Mountain Trail. So if you keep going this way, you'll go back down to the Elephant Mountain, the big famous lookout area. If you go this way, this is the trail we want to go to the Thumb Lookout Mountain. If you look at the signs, good luck. Where are you going? I don't know. Where are you going? I don't know. Don't go up this trail. Go this trail right here. This trail will end up at a circle and steep stairs on the left. So that's our next cue for where to go. That sign there does have some English on it. But again, it's kind of confusing. And that's again why I'm making this video. So right over here, it's probably the biggest one I've ever seen. It's called a dream weaver. I don't know the scientific name, but it's a spider that has this extremely big web. You might be able to see the web right here, all of this web. And he is, I'll try to get close. He is right here. I can't get my hand over there to show you how big he is, but it's probably about this big. That's a big dreamweaver. Okay, so here's the big circle. Here's the sign and the stairs to the left. And here's the trail to the right that goes back to like dirt and stone. And there's a giant Chinese character right there. Guys, what does that say?
Ninja. Ninja.
Like Japanese ninja?
Yes.
My friend, Japanese ninja.
Ninja.
So don't go on the ninja trail, go up. And let's see what this sign says. It doesn't say Thumb Lookout anywhere on this sign. All right, let's check the backside. No Thumb Lookout, but on Google, you're gonna see Thumb Lookout Mountain. So we're going up this, and then after this, there's one more small detail that you guys need to know to find the small trail, and I'm gonna show you that all the way up there. So, okay, so we just made our way up these stairs, and you can see the trail continues up this way, or it comes over here to this, what they call the U-shaped lookout, and this is actually what I would consider probably the best view of Taipei. It was right here, especially if you're looking at it from having a little bit of a frame, because there's some trees at the top and then there's the little bushes and the bench at the bottom right here. I think from back here, it's just such an incredible view. I've done a couple shots here, one just up on the stairs shooting down, especially when the sunset is going down, and then from back over here, which they just recently, somebody came and trimmed this area. So now there's even a better view that way. That used to be all trees. You couldn't see any of that over there. So before it was just this, now it's that. They left a little bit of a stub there. I don't know why they didn't just take it all the way down to the bottom. Anyways, beautiful views right here. Trail markers don't say anything about Thumb Lookout Mountain. It says Jiu Peak, Tiaominggang Temple, Jiu Peak. We do need to go up, so we're gonna go all the way up to the Thumb Lookout, which is up there. Make sure you bring a little tripod, whether it's for your smartphone or your real camera, so you can get this shot. Like Kota and I are buds. We're up here hanging out, Taipei 101, beautiful view right behind us. I really think this is the best view. Up on the stairs, just behind this, you can zoom in a little bit more. I'm gonna do it with my smartphone so you guys can see. I recommend a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That's the best chance for you to get this place all to yourself. It's probably just gonna be us. Maybe some people will come up there for the sunset because it's quite a popular spot now on social media. But the drone shot that's super, super popular is using a telephoto lens. So it's whether it's like the DJI Air 3S with the 70mm lens, or the Mavic 3 Pro, or the Mavic 4 Pro. Those deep telephoto lenses, that's how we're gonna get that really cool shot, and that's what we're gonna show you when we're up there. Anyways, let's get on with the video. I'm gonna show you the detail. There's one little side trail up there, and most people just walk right by it. Right here. Look, look. Oh, it does say it now. Hey guys, you missed it. It's right here.
This?
Okay, so here, look, the sign is here.
Oh, really?
It does say Top of Thumb Mountain. This is the only sign that we've seen this whole time that says Thumb Mountain, right?
Yeah.
So this is the sign, but it's so easy to miss if you're going up here. It's so easy to miss. These are the stairs. This is the key moment right here. Right here, up these stairs. Oops, sorry, I had the stabilization taken off, so that might have been a little shaky. But that's the detail. For me, that's the most important one. Just like they missed it, it's not like a big official sign. And it's the only one that says Thumb Lookout or Thumb Mountain. So it looks like this up here. There are stairs, and it gets into like kind of a rock brick section, and there are some ropes right here. I wouldn't trust my life with them, but also this trail is not that hard to walk up. There's pretty good footing all the way up. Ooh, windy. It's getting a little windy right here. Oh yeah, perfect timing. So I would give yourself, the sunset doesn't swing that much here in Taiwan. I'm from Seattle, and our sunset time throughout the year swings like crazy. So if you were coming here and you want to give yourself plenty of time to get up here, I'd give yourself like an hour. It's not going to take that long to get up, but you're going to want to take some pictures along the way. Wow, it's windy. Definitely going to affect drone footage. But this is the view up here.
What's up? Hi. Yo. Wow.
Okay, so I've come down here just a little bit just so you guys can hear me more clearly. The wind is really pushing over the backside of this mountain. But I did just feel kind of a lull, a drop in the wind. So that means that's a bit gusty. So we should be able to get a good shot with his Mavic 4 Pro. I'm not sure about the Avata 2. I'm gonna take a couple minutes to assess the wind a little bit longer. If you guys didn't know, I'm actually a tandem skydiving instructor. I've got about 5,000 skydives. I think it's like 4,900 something. So anyways, this is basically the end of the video. If you wanna stick around and watch us get some drone shots, feel free, or you can go ahead and click on to the next video or go do whatever you wanna do. So anyways, thanks for hanging out with me. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. some things change. They might make all of these signs official, but as of now, they're not. And so, yeah, like I said, if this video needs an update or if there's any comments, leave them down in the comment section below. All right, see ya. Okay, so Rick has his Mavic 4 Pro right here. He's got some Freewell ND filters. And we're gonna launch when there's no wind. Gonna get it up into the air. Try to fly out a little ways this way. And then Kota, our model, is right up there. See if we can get this shot. Right about here, okay? Okay, and right about here. Now we're only gonna touch the left side. We're gonna go up and down. So go up, go up. Oh, big wind. Good, now go down, go down. Down, 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 down. Okay, stop right there.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
what is your...
6. Yeah. 6.
Camera, I want camera.
Camera, the other side, yes.
This one?
Yeah.
We want D-Log M 6.5.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. Kota, come here. Come see what this looks like. Yeah. You're gonna run up to where she's at. All right, this is the shot. Deep parallax. So if you lock your GPS point just like this, it will stay fixed on that point. And you can just fly the right joystick, left, right, up, down, and it will just stay fixed on that point. That's how Camille is able to get that really cool shot. We might have just gotten it just like he did, but I'm pretty sure that's what he was doing. And if he was doing it manually, what you would do is you would just go up and then pull down on the camera angle. Pretty cool, right?
Nice.
Epic! All right, hopefully we got some shots. Obviously, I'll post them on the video here. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, I am C_lander. I'll put that right here. And again, all the comments, questions, anything you have, leave them in the comments down below. All right, see you in the next one.
See ya.